Winga Apparel Group. We're a company that manufactures ladies' panties and bras, and we do some children's wear. We've been in this business for over 30 years. So product inspections in the past have been an integral part of our company's manufacturing process. Unfortunately, with these inspections, a lot of times we relied on Excel, Word, PDF, and these very manual, labor-intensive tools. It was very hard to consolidate the data for the vendor and factory to give the factory meaningful answers to improve our results. The amazing thing about Inspectorio is that it actually ties the customer data and pulls it into the Inspectorio system. So what does this mean? This means that basically our colleagues can make bookings, they can read the reports, they can read the inspections anywhere in the world. As management, because I sit in Hong Kong, China, or Vietnam, I can access this very quickly, effectively, and communicate this very fast to our factories. With the QC process, we want to create an environment where we can use the data and analytics to make significant changes to the whole manufacturing process. Inspectorio has exceeded my expectations just simply because how easy the system is to use. From when I make the bookings to when I review the inspections, even if I have to write a CAPA report or do a rebooking, the speed and effectiveness of the system has just been astonishing. For new organizations that are facing Inspectorio for the first time, my recommendation is really embrace technology and embrace the platform that Inspectorio is offering. Their track record with other retailers has just been success over success because Inspectorio is doing such a good job. Now working with Inspectorio, things are consolidated, it's web-based, and everyone's connected.